Hello guys, myself Dilip Sauratkar from Annasad College of Engineering, Ashta, going to present a small demo on my EarthRover robot. For this robot, I initially used the Raspberry Pi 4 module, 4 GB RAM, a motor driver L293D, switch, a 5 volt output, bucket switch, bucket module, 4 batteries and 4 gear motors and wheels, and also use the camera module for real-time vision. Step is, initially we have to connect the Wi-Fi of the home router machine here. Enter a password. Wait, I will disconnect it and I will show you. Here it is initial my home Wi-Fi module have to connect. Enter a password. After connecting the Wi-Fi, we have to configure the IP address of robot. Here is the robot IP address. After getting the IP address, we have to disconnect the HDMI cable and power supply module of the Raspberry Pi and shut down your Raspberry Pi. And next step is to operate the human EarthRover module. Here is the control panel of the robot. To start the camera module, we have to click on the camera on button. After clicking on it, you can see the view of the camera. Now I will operate the robot from here. I'll show you how to control a robot through accelerometer. Now I'll show you how the robot operated through the voice command. Robot forward. Now we'll see the two features of the robot, that is speaking on and siren. First of all, you show on. Second feature, siren. Now my robot will speak to your name. I will type hello Tanvi. In the male voice.
Hello Tanvi.
Also, I will same switch with the female voice.
Hello Tanvi.
I will one more example. Ganpati Bappa, Moria. Thank you guys. If you like this project, please give me a feedback on the comment section, and also stay tuned to get the more project ideas and projects on my Instagram channel. Thank you.